That's how we do it right here, guys. For whatever reason, it takes all night. And this last hour before daylight. Oh, there's a big one lurking in the middle. These big bass just come. You'll see them down below the school. And they'll creep and hide right under the floating parts of the dock, waiting for them shad to come by, and they just eat them up. So this is this one right here, which is this whole shad frenzy in its own stuff. But then over here, we got the real big boy. It's about to get crazy. Wait till you see this. Now this one is quite crazy. As you can see, just out here on the dock, letting the green lights do the work. I'm gonna get back to catching fish.